naughty or nice this year?
Nice.
Fantastic! Now tell me, what do you want for Christmas?
Some Fortnite Christmas. I go Harry Potter.
Say it again?
Fortnite Christmas, Harry Potter, I go.
Okay, got it! I will see you soon! Merry Christmas and bye-bye!
Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlogs. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas. It was definitely different this year. For me it was just me, Aiden and Coffee at home. We didn't go anywhere, we didn't have anyone over, and it was quite a nice relaxing Christmas actually, because normally we have to travel up north and carry what seems like the whole home in a couple of bags and then go to my parents, but this year it was really relaxing. Yeah, so it's
Mama,
yes.
can you get me
No, I haven't yet. Do you want it now? Yeah, we can get vitamins now. Yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys on what's been happening really. So the whole reason why I wanted to vlog today, I wasn't going to vlog, but I really wanted to show you guys what I'm doing today, because hopefully it can inspire some of you guys to do it yourself as well. I've been wanting to do tiling for a long time, but I am really indecisive, so I could never decide on tiles or find someone that's like, I don't like random people coming into my house. I only like people who have been recommended. And I was like, actually I could do that myself, because the bit where I want to tile is just above my sink. The annoying thing about these walls are it's water-based paint, so when you get a little bit of dirtiness on it, one time my mum tried to clean the wall, she just used a sponge and cleaned a bit of the wall, and it actually rubs off the paint, so there's a patch of where she cleaned and there's like a black patch, which I went over with some white paint again. So above my sink area it always gets really dirty, because obviously you're washing up and then water gets splattered, and sometimes very liquid gets on the walls, and it's really hard to clean because obviously I can't go in and scrub it. So it's kind of like a few marks that I really don't like, so I just want to tile that area because that's where it gets dirty the most, just because of washing up. And there's no sockets or anything, so I don't have to cut any L shapes. It's just one plain big wall. Sorry. So I thought, okay, since from Christmas to New Year, that kind of like week of doing nothing, I'm gonna try and do it myself. And I really have taken time off, like from everything. I'll show you my living room. It's literally been like this since Christmas Day. So all of Aiden's toys and all his games that we've been playing, it's literally just everywhere. And then my bedroom is a complete mess. Aiden's room is a complete mess. I've really just like been like, I'm gonna sit back, do nothing. I'm not gonna stress about it. I'll deal with it in New Year. Well, not New Year. I was gonna, the day before New Year, which is in a couple of days time, do like a big clean and start the new year on a fresh. I actually bought one of these tiling sheets about a month ago. I really wanted to do it, but I just didn't find the time. So I've now got 5 sheets, and I've got some grout and adhesive, I've got spreaders, I've got a tile cutter. So yesterday what I was doing was actually just cutting the tiles to like half. These are the practice ones that I was doing, because obviously I haven't used a tile cutter before, so I just took out a few to practice, and it was actually quite easy. So these are the ones that would go here like that, and then a straight edge along the sink line, so something a bit like this. But yeah, I need to cut more tiles today, and then yeah, so something like that. And the best thing about these are it's a tile sheet, so I'm not having to put like individual tiles on. That would take forever. It's like a whole sheet, so it actually covers quite a lot of the wall all in one go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this today. Wish me luck, guys. This is the wall that I want to tile. As you can see, there's like marks here from where things have been before. I need to reseal around the sink because it's really old now, so I've got silicone sealing as well. So yeah, let's get on and do this today. All my measurements here. So the height is 37 centimeters and then the width is 115. So I just need to work out how high it's gonna go. This is actually a little bit too high, so I'm gonna have to cut some off at the top. Cute.
Check it out. Yeah, let's go. This is how we're gonna get the dinosaur out.
Eagle.
Yeah, it sounds like a seagull. Come on then.
Mama,
Yeah?
why does eagle here? Because all the eagles is in beach.
Oh my god. It's so cold. Trying not to use the sink so I don't get the towels wet. So I've ordered McDonald's, some Uber Eats. No one got Happy Meal. Is it yum? Yeah. We're just watching Home Alone number 3. Such a cozy.
I like number 3.
You do. You like number 1, 2 and 3, don't you? He loves Home Alone now. It's such a nice little cozy afternoon, like early evening. I love moments like this where it's just chilled, food, TV and each other's company. You like spending time with mummy at home. I did say that we should go to the drive-thru and get McDonald's, but he was like, no, I don't want to go anywhere, I just want to stay at home. It's definitely become a homebody.
Mama, that's the last one is the one here.
Is that the last one?
Uh-huh.
Are you saving it for me?
It's the one cat. The one cat.
Can I have it?
Uh-huh. It's the
Aw.
one cat, Mama.
No, it's okay, you can have it, it's the last one. You like your chicken nuggets, don't you? You can have it. Mummy's got an apple pie. Do you want to share my apple pie? What's that? Move your token all the way home. You can... Yay. 1. Good morning guys, so it's the next day. It's been 24 hours and I'm about to grout the tiles. This is the one that I used. It's waterproof wall tile, adhesive and grout, so it's 2 in 1. It's the sticky stuff that you stick the tiles on and then it's grout too. So I'm just making some lunch for us to eat now. I've done the grout, I've wiped it down once. I'm just going to let it dry again a little bit and then I'm going to wipe it fully. It's taken me forever to wipe the grout, what am I talking about? Grout off. Can you see that there's still a lot of grout stains on? So like these ones are clean at the top but not fully clean. But once it dries it hardens and it's so hard to get off. Because I can't use a sponge that's too damp because it'll interfere with the grout in the kind of like tiling, I guess, whatever these are called. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. I need to seal the bottom once this is all nice and clean, and then this part I'm not sure whether I should do tiles here as well so it comes across to here, or whether I should just leave it and seal that up with some sealant. So I'm gonna wait until it's all clean and dry first and then I'll decide on what I'm going to do there. Good morning guys, as you can see I have a full face of makeup on and I've washed my hair. Good morning. I thought that whilst I'm going to be washing my hair like bird drying it. I might as well like film a New Year's Eve kind of look for Instagram. So it's on Instagram, it's not on my YouTube. It's on Instagram Reels. So if you want to go follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, you'll see it. Good morning.
I don't think I need.
So happy New Year's Eve. Yeah, today's New Year's Eve, and obviously we're not going anywhere. I just got ready for the sake of taking some photos and making a reel. So we're gonna go to the Chinese supermarket to get some food for tonight, and we're gonna go to a normal supermarket like Aldi or Sainsbury's or something, whatever's close by, to get some snacks for tonight, because it's New Year's Eve and we're just staying at home, not going anywhere, not seeing anybody. So yeah, we're gonna make the best of what the situation is, basically. I think that's my motto for 2020, is like make the best out of every situation. You're getting hungry? Yeah, Mummy's gonna put my clothes on, you're gonna get changed, and we'll go get some food, okay? Yeah? Yeah, it's, what time is it? I think it's about 10:30 or 11 o'clock, and we haven't had lunch yet. Normally we have lunch about 12 o'clock, so he's probably getting quite hungry. He's had breakfast, but that was at like 8 o'clock. So we're gonna go out and maybe just like pop into Greg's or something on the way to the Chinese supermarket. I'm not sure, or maybe I should just make something at home. Don't know. But yeah, oh my god, I did a full face of makeup today, and I've forgotten how much effort it is to get ready. Because the last few months I've just been like putting my hair up. I put a bit of concealer or BB cushion or It Cosmetics CC cream on, do my brows, and then put a bit of lip on, and that's it. So doing like a full face of like contour, eyes, falsies, glitter, eyebrows done the proper way, and then like a full matte lip, it just feels like so much effort. And honestly, this lip is gonna have to come off, because I'm obviously gonna go out and I'm gonna be wearing a mask. So this is not the wisest option, because I'll just end up looking like Joker. And to be honest, this was just for the photos and videos. Like, I'm not going anywhere, why do I need to wear a bright red lip? I've just tried to rub that lip off, and I actually quite like the smudged effect. It's very Korean-esque, and it makes my lips look huge. By the way, the lip product that I had on was the NARS liquid lipsticks. If you haven't tried NARS liquid lipsticks, you're missing out. They look like this. It's called this one is called Funky Town, and then the lip product is called Power Matte Lip Pigment. These honestly last forever on your lips. Look, I just tried to scrub it off with water and a towel, and it's still leaving such a nice stain. They're really easy to apply, they last a long time, they don't feel drying. I really like the sponge tip. It's not a sponge, it's kind of like a point, and it's really sturdy. So you could probably put this on, which I did today as well, without a lip liner, like just make it really nice and neat. Because of that applicator, it's really easy to use. It might take a bit of practice, it did for me as well, but today, because I'm so used to it, I can just like put it on really nice and neat without a lip liner. And yeah, the stained lips is quite a nice look actually. It looks nice with this makeup. A nice mistake. So I've just arrived at the Chinese supermarket. Little Aiden's getting wrapped up. I'm going to go get a lobster. I'm going to see if they have any. Hey Aiden, no, it's cold, you have to wear your scarf. It's really cold inside and outside. I think it's going to snow soon. Are you going to build a snowman when it snows? Yeah. That means you're going to have to wear your gloves as well if you're going to build a snowman. Yeah, we're just at the Chinese supermarket getting some groceries. Got nothing at home. I did a grocery shop on Christmas Eve, and now it's New Year's Eve, so it's like a whole week of food that I've eaten at home already, so I've got nothing at home. I did want to have lunch at home, but I didn't have anything to make. I didn't even have any bread. That's how empty our kitchen is, isn't it? So we're gonna, what's that little smack? So we're gonna get some food for tonight and for the next couple of days, so we don't have to go out. And yeah, maybe we should get some king prawns too. No, you don't like king prawns? This cut is so big that I can't get the bag over. So yeah. Oh, my hair's all stuck. Need to put our masks on there then. Oh, is that good? Is that okay? Shall I stretch it a bit? Oh, that's better. The animal ones. Oh, next time I'll bring the animal ones. But Mummy's just got a black one today. Yeah, so we're going to put our masks on. And then we're going to go to the shops. Get the hand sanitizer. And Eden. He's in a mood because, why are you in a mood?
I miss Daddy.
Oh, he misses his daddy. Daddy will be back from work in a few days, okay? They have Chinese New Year stuff already. Here are the live lobsters and seafood section. Lots of lobsters. So I've just put the lobster into the fridge. I'm going to have that for dinner tonight, but this is what we've bought from the Chinese supermarket. Snacks, enoki, mushrooms, noodles, soya milk, Aiden's favourite cake, Yakult, these to go into kind of like emergencies, and some fresh noodles, and what's this, seafood tofu bean curdy things. And then we've got some M&Ms and some sweeties for tonight. You're an M&M?
Why is this big?
Huh?
Why are they big?
It's a big one. What do you say? So lobster is ready to be cooked, and then I have some noodles, and then I have some ginger and spring onion. Oh my god, the fireworks won't stop. They've started again. Oh my god, it's like never ending and it's driving Coffee mad. But yeah, we're going to sit down and eat our New Year's Eve dinner now. Eden, do you want to say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys, and I hope next year is a better one than this year. Coffee, coffee.